everybody, and welcome to a new vlog. I probably should take some dust off the camera, but yeah, I have not been so very active, and yeah, my cat wants some attention. That would her 5 seconds of fame right there. I'm just so tired because this cat have been waking me up every single night for a week. So I don't have any blood. So I don't have a brain anymore. But today I am going to IKEA with a friend. So just stay here and you will see the beautiful Swedish building, shopping stuff, blah, whatever. So I'm home and I'm so tired. I just want to sleep. I want to take a nap, but I can't take a nap. Because if I take a nap, then I won't be able to sleep at night, and that's not good. Because I need to sleep at night as well. So I'm just gonna try to stay awake. Even though I want to sleep so bad. I want to take a nap. But no, okay. Hi, kitty. Yeah, I'm tired. Hi. I was on IKEA. I didn't really record that much because, one, I'm not really sure that I'm allowed to record at IKEA because it's like a store and they're afraid for their own security when it comes to criminal aspect. I hope you enjoyed that little tiny vlog of mine. I'm still alive-ish. Things are just happening. I'm trying to get a job, so I have been on some interviews, and yeah, I'm just tired now because I am babysitting my cat, or my family's cat, and she is needy. And she wants some attention, so I'll end the vlog early, and I hope to see you in another video where I'm probably not as tired and have more energy and really wants to give you a part of my life. Right now my life is just a little bit boring. I'm tired. I'm focusing on jobs. Stay with me. I will do my best to keep you updated. Just follow my social medias, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!
What a wonderful world.